Hi, this is Coach Joe Lukacs, and welcome to today's Magellan Coaching Minute. You know, one of the topics I just recently talked to my Magellan Network about was that of mindset, which I believe most advisors diminish or pay very little attention to. We're all stuck in what do we need to do. Your mindset dictates your behavior. Mindset is made up of values, rules, beliefs, what you take in, right? What you read, listen to, and things like your mental diet. If you're not feeling good about where your mind is today, if you're not feeling good about the path I'm on, one of the best things you can do is change your mental diet. Drop the news, drop the social media feeds, drop all that stuff, or at least put it off to later on in the day. Your mornings need to be sacred. Your mornings need to be about you. Your mornings need to be about your success. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.